In today's video, I am going to teach you how to assign contact name on Brevo. To get started, make sure you are logged in to your Brevo account and you are looking at the main dashboard. We are going to work inside the CRM area because that is where Brevo stores and manages contact details like names and other attributes. First, go to the left sidebar and click CRM. This opens your customer relationship management tools. Once you are in CRM, select Contacts. This will take you to your contact list where you can search, filter, and open individual contact profiles. If you have many contacts, take a moment to locate the right one, since we will be editing details inside that person's record. Next, open the contact by clicking on the email address shown for that contact. For privacy, I will not read any real email addresses out loud, but it is the email field in the list that acts like a link to the contact profile. When you click it, Brevo will display the full contact page, including the information currently saved for that person. Now you will access the edit options. Look for the More Actions area and find the pencil icon, then choose Edit. This is the standard way to update a contact's details, so if you do not immediately see it, scan the top area of the contact profile for a small pencil symbol or an edit option within the More Actions menu. Once you are in edit mode, select Attribute. Attributes are the fields Brevo uses to store pieces of information, such as first name, last name, or other custom fields your account may use. Choosing the correct attribute is important because it ensures the contact name appears properly in your lists and can be used in personalization for emails and automations. After selecting attribute, select the option of interest. In this context, that means choosing the name-related field you need to update and entering or selecting the correct value for the contact. Take your time and double-check spelling, since consistent naming makes searching and segmentation much easier later. Finally, click Update to save your changes. Wait a moment for Brevo to apply the update and confirm that the contact profile now shows the correct name information. That covers everything you need to know.